Hey everyone, Abel here from TechNave. Last time I showed you the Samsung Galaxy A8 2018 version. Now we're gonna show you the Plus version and we're gonna see what's the difference. Now aside from the obvious larger display here, which is 6" by the way, if you compare with the Galaxy A8, everything is the same, there's not much difference. You still have the same speaker right here, this is your power button, USB Type-C, headphone jack, this is the SIM card slot, the volume rockers, and the secondary SIM card slot here together with the micro SD card. And even the main camera right here with the fingerprint, yeah, still same thing, it's just bigger. Even for the user interface, it's still the same. When you swipe it to the right, it's still your same schedules, and you can see the weather, activities, some news even. Then for the camera, it's still the same thing, especially the front camera. No changes there, it's still the same, 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel. And in case you forgot, the 8 megapixel is the live focus. You just tap it right here and you're allowed to adjust the background blur according to your liking. So as I said earlier, there's actually not much difference between the A8 and the A8 Plus. This thing costs 2,499 ringgit compared with the A8 is 1,799 ringgit. The only difference between these two is that this has a larger display, 6". Bigger memory capacity, 6GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, and a bigger battery, 3,500 mAh. So why would you want to get this instead of the A8, which is much cheaper? So there's only one way to look at this, which is obviously, some people just have a preference of wanting, they need bigger screens to do everything in their daily lives, social tasks, whatever. This 6" is actually really big compared with the A8. A8 it looks slim and more rectangular. This one is fat. I think for entertainment wise, it will do great. Just putting at your palms like this, doing your games or your video playback, it'll be fine. And it has 6GB of RAM after all, so I don't see the problem of like lagging. And one more thing that I can really think is, since this phone has dual front cameras, you can actually use it as a mirror somehow by just pressing the extend button right here. So yeah, bring it to the pool parties because it's water and dust resistant. In fact, I'm gonna show you guys later on. Oh, I just show you guys right now about how deep it goes into the pool. Water test in 3, 2, 1. Oh crap, I threw too far. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, still working fine. Okay guys, so that was the unboxing and hands-on first impression of the Galaxy A8 Plus. Stay tuned for future review and see you guys next time.